Shanghai Longjoin Electronics Limited Company, a private company, is specialized in design, developing, and manufacturing photocontrols for outdoor and area lightings. Investment: the total capital of Longjoin is 5 million RMB, and the total investment is about 10 million RMB, inclusive of fixed assets of about 7 million RMB. The factory building in Shanghai covers an area of over 7,000 square meters. Employees: Longjoin has about 150 employees, among whom there are 5 senior engineers. Product information: the major product line of Longjoin is photocontrols used for area lightings, which is an industrial or consumer control unit that automatically controls lamp by tracing the level of ambient brightness. Relying on developing its own intellectual property, national patent of utility model, Longjoin products are designed according to the international standards, so they represent better ratio of performance to cost than most of competitors. Up to now, Longjoin basic products have been granted the certification of UL and CUL and exported to the North American market steadily. Sales information: Longjoin is offering over 3 million units annually. Marketing information: Longjoin products are made for both industrial use and consumer purpose. The wide range of application decides a promising market. Since our basic products are designed in accordance with the American Popular Mounting Mode NCC 136.101996, they are mainly targeted at the North American market. Longjoin products have been steadily supplied to some famous American lamp manufacturers. Longjoin also makes products for some American outdoor lighting control manufacturers, and it indirectly ranks among suppliers for Walmart, etc. The typical product series bimetallic type photocontrols have had a nearly 50% shares of American market. Longjoin is actively expanding the markets in Mexico and Brazil, where the similar standards are adopted. It derived products that serious products in application give attention to the versatility of mounting model. Welcome to Shanghai. Welcome to Longjoin.